Oh no. There's a bit of a hard bit in this onion. Well, out you go. Doesn't Gordon Ramsay always say something about chopping onions? Like, if you can't chop an onion, you're a crap chef. Well, you see, I am. I am a crap chef. But I manage somehow. Like, I'm not a professional and I've never claimed to be. I've had no formal training in cooking. We're just having a nice old time here. I need to walk away because the thing isn't working. My eyes are on fire. I don't know why it's not working. Let me get another bit. Maybe these are just super spicy onions today. Oh, my eyeballs. I'm putting more. Do you know that if you have a cut on you can apply raw garlic to instantly make it worse? No. Oh, no. Okay, we're gonna put down another one of these and see if it helps. Oh, dear. I've heard the trick is to cut off the rooty end to stop the stinging. I've tried that and that actually did not work for me at all for some reason. Now, maybe I just did it the wrong way around, but sure, look, wouldn't be the first time I'd messed it up, but... I'm gonna put these onions somewhere nice. I'm gonna put them on an onion holiday into this bowl. Onion holiday. Oh, it doesn't work for you either. First, you need to kill the onion. I'd be worried if the onions were alive in the kitchen. Like that would have me much more worried. Much more worried by far. Get in there. It seems like a lot of onion, but you know, I suppose onion does cook down fairly intensely, so it'd be grand. It'd be grand. All right, that'll do. That gets to stay there. Okay, the fresh bit here is working a little bit. Milan dude, hello, how are you doing? Oh, garlic is so good. I love a bit of garlic. I'll be chopping a little bit of garlic next. I'll just be kind of roughly chopping it, so it'll be grand. Jokey the Joker, hello. Imagine how much they'd make me cry if they were alive. I don't think the onions would be too impressed with getting chopped up, I have to say. Like, I don't think they'd be sitting there applauding you for it, or me. I think they would fight us with their little onion arms. This is a really tough onion. There we go, got it. I once cut off the top 1 centimeter of my thumb while cutting onions. Oh, that's pretty rough. Oh, you poor chicken. Did you get better? Did you get it better? Did you get your thumb back? You poor thing. Oh my goodness, that's so unfortunate. And what helps me not cry when I cut onions is going to my happy place. Well, if my happy place is chopping onions, it's not. It's absolutely not. Oh goodness. I could genuinely eat a bowl of caramelized onions. They're so good. You're not wrong. They're just so good. You know what's really good? You know, just like a crispy onion. Just a little crispy onion. Duct tape. Oh no. No, you don't want to be putting your thumb back on with duct tape. How did we get here? Where do we go now? All right. I got that ready. I hate the paper. Why can onions not just peel themselves? No, I'm cutting myself off from that thought right now, and I'm not allowed to think it anymore. Have you seen those TikToks of people cutting onions with little fingers and deep fry them? I haven't, but just sorry, I completely misread that and misunderstood it. My brain took it in the wrong way. I just saw onions and fingers. I was like, no, not again, not again. All right. I think I actually need a bit of a saucepan for this instead of a pan, so this is panning out a little differently. Sorry. Why am I apologizing? I know it's not a sincere apology. Oh, goodness. Baffled Toast, hello and welcome in. How are you keeping? Come in. Right. This, then the garlic, and then we're away for slates. And those slates, I'll tell you something. All right. I know I just said like several minutes ago that I don't like to cut things really quickly, but onion is the exception because I just want it done. I just want it done. Yeah, not a single Shrek references. You know, I don't know if I'm proud or disappointed, to tell you the truth, lads. All of these onion layers